Welcome friends to this video tutorial on autocad electrical software. In this video we will see multiple bus. Your multiple bus is located in schematic multiple bus. Multiple bus is used for drawing three-phase wiring. It is used to draw three-phase wiring in which we are having various options. We will see one by one. First option is draw a three-phase wire to a component. It can be three-phase motor or any other thing. The next is draw a three-phase wiring to another bus, from one bus to another bus. Next one is empty space horizontal three-phase wiring. Next one is empty space vertical three-phase wiring. Here I can select the number of wires, either 2 wire or 3 wire or 4 wire. 3 wire represents ROAB, 4 wire represents ROAB neutral. First, in an empty space we can draw either horizontal three-phase wiring or vertical three-phase wiring. Now press OK. Go to the drawing space. Now it is asking us to specify the starting point. You can see that now we are having a three-phase wiring, that is horizontal wiring, which can either go up or down. This is a three-phase horizontal wiring. Next we will have a three-phase horizontal wiring with 4 wires. Specify starting point and specify the ending point. How to start the wiring? Select, use your left button on the mouse to start the wiring, and if you press again your left button on the mouse, it will end your wiring. This is horizontal three-phase wiring with 3 wires. This is horizontal three-phase wiring with 4 wires. You can see that these are still in line mode. Later on I will tell you how to convert this line into wire. Next we will see empty space vertical three-phase wiring with 3 wires. Press OK. Now AutoCAD Electrical will ask us to specify the starting point. Now this is a three-phase wiring. Here you can go down, or you can go right, or you can go left. If you press your left button on your mouse, it will end. Go to bus. Now again we are going to draw a three-phase vertical wiring with 4 wire. Press OK. How to start the wiring? Use the left button on your mouse, and then if you press the left button on your mouse, it will end the wiring. Now you can see that these are vertical three-phase wiring with 3 wires. This is vertical three-phase wiring with 4 wire. The next option we are having is another bus. Here we can draw a three-phase wire which can be connected to another bus. For that, let me have an option of 3 wire. First we need to specify the starting point. You can see that it has drawn a three-phase wire which is connected to another bus. Similarly, I can have a 4-wire system which can be connected to another bus. Select the starting bus, and now you can see that it has drawn a three-phase wiring with 4 wires. These are the use of this multiple bus wiring. Next one is component wiring. If you are having a three-phase motor, that can be connected by using this component wiring. This is the use of multiple wire bus in AutoCAD Electrical. Thank you.